2026 Auto Show, all eyes are on electric vehicles. But are those remaining gas-powered cars only for foolish buyers? Quite the opposite. They are solid choices for three types of highly rational people. Putting aside sentiment, let's focus on the core strengths of gas cars in 2026. Unmatched refueling efficiency, 3 minutes of fueling for 600 kilometers of range. This is a physical gap no EV can bridge in the next decade. Ultimate system stability. A century of ICE development, simple structure, and low maintenance costs. Repairable everywhere, from official dealers to local repair shops. Reliable asset value. No battery degradation worries with a mature used car resale value system. It is far more predictable for those who treat cars as tools and assets. Simple, reliable, and efficient. These are its biggest advantages. Of course, its drawbacks have become more prominent in 2026. Urban travel costs in heavy traffic congestion. Fuel and maintenance costs are much higher than EVs, an obvious generational gap. Experience gap at the same price, smoothness, quietness, and acceleration response are completely outmatched by electric vehicles. This is not a tuning issue, but an inherent gap in powertrain structure. Policy trends facing global carbon reduction goals and national regulations. Gas cars are undoubtedly a thing of the past. Therefore, choosing a gas car in China means giving up advanced driving experience and policy incentives in exchange for other practical benefits. So there is no need to struggle when buying a car in 2026. It all depends on your actual needs. 1. Pure electric, you have a home charger, and over 90% of your trips are urban commutes. Trade tech dividends for premium experience and low daily costs. 2. Extended range EV. You take frequent long trips, want EV comfort, and have no home charger. Slight trade-offs in complexity and cost for all scenario travel freedom. 3. Gas car, you travel cross-city for business with a tight budget. Or you want maximum reliability and use the car as a pure transportation tool. Sacrifice driving experience for fast refueling and stable asset value. Remember, even with a pure electric range of 800 kilometers. Think twice if you take regular long trips without home charging. This is not a technical issue, but a matter of lifestyle. This series of auto show reviews will help you make rational decisions. I'm Sonia. Follow me to grasp insider industry insights. Stay tuned, and I'll see you at the Suzhou International Auto Show in the next video.